Imagine you're Lucas, a finance manager at Futura Inc. You're knee-deep in spreadsheets, trying to make sense of expenses scattered across departments. It's a juggling act, and let's be real, it's not just about tracking expenses, it's about strategic financial management. That's where ChatGPT comes in, not just as a tool, but as a game changer in the world of expense tracking. You've got historical data, right? Train ChatGPT on it. Watch it work its magic, pinpointing spending patterns, flagging anomalies, and even dishing out spending strategies tailored to your business projections. It's like having a financial oracle at your fingertips. Now let's talk strategy. First up, automated categorization. ChatGPT can sort expenses in a snap, reducing errors and freeing up your time. It's like having a meticulous assistant who never sleeps, ensuring every penny is accounted for. Next, predictive alerts. This is about being proactive, not reactive. Train ChatGPT to give you a heads up on unusual spending trends or when you're inching close to budget limits. It's like having a financial guard dog that barks before the intruders are even close. And don't forget those intuitive dashboards. They're your real-time window into the company's financial heartbeat. With AI, you get visual summaries that let you monitor spending habits at a glance. But remember, it's a symbiotic relationship. AI brings precision and efficiency, but your financial savvy is irreplaceable. Use AI as your compass, but you're still the captain steering the ship. By integrating AI like ChatGPT into your expense tracking, you're not just keeping up, you're setting the pace. You're transforming from a number cruncher into a strategic financial visionary. So, embrace the AI revolution in expense tracking and watch your financial management soar to new heights. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing better, smarter, and with foresight that only AI can provide. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity. The AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of expense tracking. You know how it goes. Receipts piling up, categories blending together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle where all the pieces are the same color. But imagine if each piece just found its own spot. That's automated expense categorization for you. ChatGPT can sort expenses like a pro, no sweat. Now think about real-time notifications. You're in the middle of a meeting and bam, an alert pops up. You just went over your travel budget. With ChatGPT, you're always in the loop, keeping those budget surprises at bay. And then there's the approval dance. The back and forth emails, the waiting game. But what if it was streamlined? ChatGPT can set up an expense approval workflow that's smoother than your morning coffee routine. Speaking of smooth, let's talk policy. It's like that rule book everyone forgets to read. ChatGPT can be your guide, ensuring every expense is in line with your company's policy. No more policy breaches, just clear guidance. Budget tracking is another beast, right? You're trying to keep everything on track, but it's like herding cats. ChatGPT can send you alerts before things go haywire. It's like having a financial crystal ball. Vendor management can be a maze too. Who's delivering value? Who's not? ChatGPT can help you keep tabs on your vendors, making sure you're getting the bang for your buck. And finally, the dreaded expense reports. They're the bane of your existence. But what if they just appeared? ChatGPT can generate detailed reports, giving you the insights without the migraine. So there you have it. From categorization to reporting, ChatGPT is like your personal finance assistant, turning chaos into clarity. Now, go tackle those expenses like a boss. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of expense tracking. You know how it goes, right? Every penny counts, and keeping track of those pennies can be, well, a bit of a headache. But what if I told you ChatGPT could be your new financial sidekick? Let's unpack this. First up, integration with accounting systems. Imagine all your financial data flowing seamlessly from one platform to another. ChatGPT can help bridge that gap, making sure your expense data syncs up with your accounting software. No more manual entry, just smooth, automated processes. Now let's talk multi-currency expense tracking. For those of you dealing with international transactions, you know the struggle. Exchange rates, different currencies, it's a lot. But ChatGPT can help you track those expenses in real time, converting currencies on the fly. It's like having a financial translator at your fingertips. Data visualization and analytics. That's where the magic happens. ChatGPT can take your raw expense data and turn it into easy-to-digest charts and graphs. You'll spot trends, see where your money's going, and make smarter decisions without sifting through spreadsheets for hours. Tax compliance support, because nobody wants to mess with taxes. ChatGPT can keep you updated on the latest tax regulations and help ensure your expense tracking is compliant. It's like having a tax guru in your back pocket, minus the hefty consultancy fees. And finally, expense audit assistance. Audits can be daunting, but ChatGPT can help you prepare, organize your records, and even flag potential issues before they become real problems. It's like a rehearsal before the big show, ensuring you're ready for whatever the auditors throw your way. So there you have it. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your financial command center, ready to tackle the complexities of expense tracking. With ChatGPT, you're not just managing expenses, you're mastering them. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey.